Leaving the house. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday, guys.
Yes, we are heading to our monthly leadership meeting here in our office in Vancouver, Canada. We're just so grateful that one of the office here in Canada is here in Vancouver. The other one is in Toronto. And all over the world, I just checked, it's 44 offices on, I'm gonna be a mistake again, 26 countries,
26.
I would say. So today is the day. It's our monthly leadership meeting, and we are seeing leaders, successful business partners all over provinces of Canada for sure. I know someone, business partners of us, who just came back from the Philippines and landed last night or yesterday, and we are seeing them both into the meeting, and of course celebrating their huge milestone that they achieved the other couple months ago. And now today is the celebration and awardings of the bonuses, and of course our goodies, I would say. So how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are excited, because this is the end of the week and time flies. How many days before the end of the month again? It's just started, but it's already the middle of the month again, hey? So if you did set up any goals this month or this couple months before the end of the year, I think it's about time for us to set up some goals. What are you busy working with aside from your full-time job, aside from maybe being a stay-at-home mom, or aside from a part-timer worker? What are you busy about these days? For us, obviously, if you're following us, this is our life now. That used to be, I'm the only one attending meeting, I'm the only one driving, I am alone during those days and time and year that we are both struggling and hustling to our corporate jobs. Now this time, if we didn't quit our job, he's still busy there rolling that
I should be working now.
rolling that, how do you call that machine that you're driving?
Doesn't matter.
That's
should be
the
working now.
yes, but I want to share what you're driving before, the forklift,
Oh yeah.
right? So